this is a Bridgeport Easy Path lathe. It has 16.5-inch swing by 40-inch centers. It can be used either with the DX32 Easy Path control or with the electronic hand wheels. It has a LCD screen upgrade on it. That is a manual Dorian turret. And there's your tailstock. A 10-inch 3-jaw chuck. And we're going to run around for you. Oh, the serial number of this machine is 002-077586-325, and it is new in 1994. He's moving it around with the hand wheels. That's a pulse generator, so he's just activating the servo motor and the ball screw. And that is the longitudinal. Let me show you on the screen both axes move. He's moving the Z, and move the X again. And there's the X.
You can also jog.
It's going to jog. Oh, I jog that. Okay, index the turret. Moving the tailstock wheel. Okay. And we're going to run the spindle.
That's 375 RPM.
Okay. Electric brake. 188. Okay.
Low. That's 45 RPM.
Okay, so you saw as low as 45 RPM, as high as 550 RPM, or 800 you had at one point?
Yeah.
800.
I can do it. This is going to be 750.
750 RPM. The spindle sounds nice and quiet. All the other axes sound quiet. Just jog the hand wheel one more time.
Sure.
So you can see that one hand wheel moving and the other hand wheel moving. And again, you sort of also wrap it around. This is your hole through the spindle. This is inside your electrical cabinet. I'm going to shoot the serial number for you on the other side. Again, that's your tailstock. Actually, it's not on this side. Where's the tail? Where's that? On the other side. That's your serial number in your ear. That's your disk drive up there. And hey, thank you again for watching the video.